You have been lied to. Yes, I said it. And I don't mean gently or by accident. No, I mean you have been lied to deliberately. For years. For years, you've been told that the dream is passive income, money flowing in while you sleep. No effort, no pressure, no problem. Sounds amazing, right? Well, here's the truth nobody puts in the thumbnail. Passive income isn't really passive. It never was. It's a setup, a shiny illusion dressed up in the word freedom. You think you're chasing independence? You're not. Someone else is selling it to you, and they're getting richer doing it, just not the way you think. Welcome to the Debt Destroyer, where every lesson brings you one step closer to financial freedom. And I need you to stay with me through this one, because we're about to walk through 7 traps back to back, no fluff. By the end, you're going to see exactly why the passive income dream is the easiest way to stay stuck working forever, just in prettier chains. And better than that, I'm going to show you how to flip the entire game, the way the rich actually do it. So don't skip. This one's for you. Let's go. Trap 1. The fake freedom promise. They tell you, make money while you sleep. Cute line. Go ask someone who's actually built one of these passive income streams if they sleep. They'll laugh at you. Every single passive system starts with massive effort. Time, money, risk. That Amazon store, that Airbnb, that crypto side hustle everyone's whispering about. It's not passive. It's a second job you just don't clock into. And yet you're told it's easy. Why? Because ease sells better than effort. That's it. That's the whole game. But not to you. Not anymore. You see through it now. Freedom doesn't come from laziness. It comes from leverage. And the fact that you just woke up to that alone puts you ahead of millions of people still out there chasing easy money that doesn't really exist. Trap 2. The hustle rebrand. Here's a sentence I need you to sit with. Passive income is just the hustle rebranded for people who are tired of hearing the word hustle. You're told work smarter, not harder. Well, that sounds wise, except in reality, you're still working. You've just been convinced to pretend it's not work. The gurus love this line. Build once, get paid forever. It does not work like that. It has never worked like that. Every system decays. Algorithms change overnight. Markets crash without asking permission. Customers vanish. You don't escape the hustle by calling it something prettier. You don't just get to rename it and hope nobody notices. You're not falling for that today. Not anymore. You're learning to see effort for what it actually is. Not your enemy, but your engine. Trap 3. The guru pipeline. Let's be brutally honest for a second. The only people consistently making passive income are the ones selling you courses on how to make passive income. Every YouTube ad, every $999 course, every smiling financial freedom guy on your Instagram feed in front of a rented Lambo. They're cashing in on your hope. Read that again. Your hope is the product they're selling. You're not the customer here. You are the product. They promise you the shortcut, and that shortcut leads straight to one place, their checkout page. But you just dodged the easiest scam in the entire modern day money game. You're not a buyer anymore. You're a thinker. And thinkers don't get sold to. They ask questions. Trap 4. The investment illusion. Let your money work for you, they say. Sounds smart, again. Sounds sophisticated. Sounds like something a rich person would say in a movie. Until your money gets lazy right alongside you. Stocks crash, real estate dips, crypto burns entire portfolios to the ground in a weekend. Here's the truth underneath all of it. You cannot outsource discipline. Passive income only ever works after you've built active intelligence first. Skip that step and you're not investing. You're just feeding your cash into someone else's system and hoping. The secret was never make money while you sleep. It's make money while you're wide awake and paying attention. You just reclaim control. Your dollars aren't driving blind anymore. Trap 5. The set and forget lie. You buy into something that promises autopilot profits. For the first few weeks, it genuinely feels like magic. Then the maintenance shows up. The updates, the customer complaints, the thing you were told would run itself starts demanding your attention like a second child you didn't sign up for. Here's the truth, plain and simple. You didn't buy freedom. You bought responsibility wearing a disguise labeled ease. Everything requires attention. Let's just be honest about that. Even peace requires effort to protect. You've just learned the golden rule most people never figure out. You can automate systems. You can never ever automate discipline. Trap 6. The time blind spot. Passive income tricks you into chasing the wrong thing entirely. Time. You start believing freedom means doing nothing. It doesn't. Freedom isn't the absence of work. It's doing what actually matters without the fear of going broke hanging over every decision. That's not passive, that's purpose. And purpose doesn't come with an autopilot button. You're not chasing anymore. Designing balance, and that's something money alone was never going to buy you, no matter how much of it you stocked up. Trap 7, the emotional cage. And here it is, the coolest trap of all 7. The pursuit of passive income keeps you emotionally broke. And when your bank account looks fine, you scroll through everyone else's highlight, comparing your chapter 1 to somebody else's chapter 20. You feel behind. Of course you do. But not because you're failing. Because the dream kept moving the goalpost on purpose, so you'd never quite catch up. You were never supposed to catch up. You were never supposed to keep chasing forever. But now you see it, all of it. Real freedom was never money while you sleep. It's peace while you're awake. You just broke out of the dream they sold you. You're awake now, you're aware, you are unchained. Fake freedom, hassle brand, guru pipeline, investment illusion, set and forget lie, time blind post, emotional cage, 7 traps, all designed to keep you dreaming instead of doing. Starting today, most people are going to keep chasing easy money that was never real, but not you. You now understand something most people never will. The most powerful income isn't passive, it's active, intentional, aligned with what you actually are. You don't need passive income. You need powerful income. Money that moves with your mind, your mission, your time. Because when your mind is free, your money follows every time. And in the next video, I'm showing you the part that flips everything. Getting wealthy versus staying wealthy. It's the part they never tell you, because that's exactly how the real freedom game works. So make sure you don't miss it. Subscribe, like, follow, comment, and hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss anything. Bye!